Hello, I am Sobhita Mandal. Today I will tell you about how to listen a lecture in the class. Point number 1, maintain eye contact with your teacher. Point number 2, focus on the content, not delivery. If you are counting how many times your teacher clears his throat, then you are not focusing on the content. Number 3, avoid emotional involvement. When you are too emotionally involved in listening, you tend to hear what you want to hear, not what is actually being said. Try to remain objective and open minded. Point number 4, avoid distractions. Do not let your mind wander or be distracted by the activities of your classmate. If your class is too hot or cold, dress appropriately to adjust. Point number 5, treat listening a challenging task. Listen actively and bring it down in the form of notes. Number 6, stay active by asking mental questions. Ask yourself what key points teacher is making. How does this fit with my previous knowledge? Point number 7, identify the purpose of listening. Point number 8, focus on the keywords. Point number 9, note down the gaps in the concept while listening. I think this will help you to listen properly and you will be successful listener.